Have you ever wished for something really hard? Maybe you closed your eyes, took a deep breath, and sent your hopes out into the universe, believing with all your heart that your dream would come true. You might have replayed the moment in your mind, picturing exactly how it would feel when your wish finally became reality. You imagined it, felt it, and truly believed it would come true. You could almost taste the excitement, and every fiber of your being was buzzing with anticipation. You told yourself to stay positive, to trust the process, and to keep your faith strong. But then, days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Your dream still felt far away. The initial excitement started to fade, replaced by a growing sense of impatience. You watched the calendar, wondering when your moment would finally arrive. This can be incredibly frustrating, leaving you wondering if manifesting actually works. You might start to feel like you're doing something wrong, or that maybe your dreams just aren't meant for you. We've all been there, that place of impatience and doubt. It's a universal experience, no matter what you're hoping for. Sometimes it feels like everyone else is moving forward while you're stuck in the same place. You start questioning your efforts and the entire process. You wonder if you're missing a secret step or if you're just not lucky enough. The self-doubt can be overwhelming, making it hard to keep believing. It's easy to fall into the trap of negativity, especially when you're surrounded by stories of instant manifestations. Social media is full of people sharing their overnight successes, and it can make your own journey feel even slower by comparison. The truth is, manifestation isn't always instant. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it has its ups and downs. There are moments of hope and moments of doubt, but every step is part of the process. Sometimes, the waiting is where the real growth happens. But there's a powerful mindset shift that can make this journey smoother and help you manifest your dreams faster. By embracing patience and trusting the timing of your life, you can transform frustration into faith, and that's when the magic truly begins. Often, the biggest obstacle to manifestation is our own energy. When we focus on the lack of something, on the waiting and the yearning, we send a very clear signal to the universe. I don't have it yet. This energy of lack creates resistance. It's like putting up a wall between you and your desires. The universe, always responding to your energy, mirrors back this feeling of lack. Think about it. When you constantly worry about something, don't you attract more situations that make you worry? It's the same with manifestation. Focusing on the absence of your desire only reinforces that absence. So, how do we break free from this cycle of lack and accelerate our manifestations? Most of us are conditioned to focus on what we don't have, constantly thinking about what's missing in our lives. This mindset keeps us stuck, always chasing, never arriving. But what if there was a way to shift this pattern and invite abundance into our reality much faster? The answer lies in shifting our focus from wanting to having. When we constantly want, we reinforce the idea that we lack something. But when we act as if we already have what we desire, we send a powerful message to our subconscious mind and to the universe. Instead of dwelling on the absence, we need to embody the feeling of already having what we desire. Imagine the relief, the joy, and the peace you would feel if your dreams had already come true. Let those emotions fill you up, as if your wishes have already been granted. This is where the simple yet powerful hack of gratitude in advance comes in. Practicing gratitude for things you want, as if they're already yours, is a transformative tool. It's not just about saying thank you, but about truly feeling the gratitude in your heart. It's about feeling genuinely grateful for your desire as if it's already yours. Picture yourself celebrating your achievements, feeling the excitement and satisfaction as if your goals have already manifested. This emotional state is magnetic. It draws your desires closer to you. By doing so, you align your energy with the frequency of receiving, paving the way for your manifestation to materialize. When you vibrate at the level of gratitude, you become a match for the very things you want to attract. The universe responds to your energy, and opportunities begin to flow your way. Gratitude in advance is a powerful act of faith. It's a declaration that you trust the process, even if you can't see the results yet. It's about believing in possibilities and knowing that what you desire is already making its way to you. It's about trusting the universe and its timing. Sometimes things may not happen exactly when or how we expect, but gratitude keeps us open and receptive. It helps us let go of resistance and surrender to the flow of life. It's about believing that your desires are on their way to you, and the more gratitude you feel, the faster they'll arrive. So start today. Practice gratitude in advance and watch as your reality transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways. I used to struggle with impatience when it came to manifesting my desires. I would set intentions, visualize, and then anxiously wait for them to appear. But the more I focused on the waiting, the further away my dreams seemed. Then I discovered the power of gratitude in advance. I started expressing gratitude for my desires as if they were already mine. I would wake up every morning and say thank you for the successful business, the loving relationship, the vibrant health I was manifesting. At first it felt strange. My logical mind would scream, "But you don't have these things yet." But I persisted, choosing to trust the process and focus on the feeling of gratitude. The shift was subtle at first. I started noticing more synchronicities and opportunities appearing in my life. Things that aligned with my desires seemed to flow effortlessly. What surprised me most was the change in my energy. Instead of feeling anxious and impatient, I felt calm, confident, and, deserving. I realized that by embodying the feeling of already having what I desired, I was removing the resistance and allowing the universe to work its magic. The key is to truly feel the gratitude. Don't just go through the motions. Imagine your desire in vivid detail. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the contentment of having it in your life right now. Ready to experience the power of gratitude in advance for yourself? Imagine waking up each day already feeling thankful for the things you desire, as if they've already arrived in your life. This mindset can truly transform the way you approach your goals and dreams, making the journey not only more enjoyable, but also more effective. Here are a few simple steps you can start implementing today to speed up the process of manifesting your dreams and turning your intentions into reality. First, take some time to identify your desires. Get really clear on what you truly want to manifest. Don't just settle for vague wishes. Dig deep and ask yourself what would genuinely make you feel fulfilled and excited. The clearer you are, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Write it down in detail, describing how it looks, feels, and impacts your life. Paint a vivid picture with your words. Include the emotions, the sights, the sounds, and even the scents associated with your dream. Second, cultivate gratitude daily, not just for what you have, but for what you are calling into your life. Just dedicate a few minutes each day to feeling grateful for your desires as if they are already yours. This practice shifts your energy and helps you align with the frequency of your dreams, making them feel more attainable and real. You can use a gratitude journal to jot down your feelings, create a vision board filled with images and words that represent your goals, or even write letters to your future self, thanking yourself for achieving your dreams. Or simply close your eyes and visualize your dreams coming true. Imagine every detail and let yourself feel the joy and excitement as if it's happening right now. Third, use affirmations to reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest. Craft positive affirmations that reflect your desires in the present tense, such as, "I am successful," "I am attracting abundance," or "I am living my dream life." Make them personal and meaningful to you. Repeat them throughout the day, really embodying the feeling of already having what you desire. Say them out loud, write them down, or even record yourself and listen back for extra motivation. And finally, act as if. This means behaving, making decisions, and carrying yourself as though your dreams have already come true. Let your actions reflect your belief in your vision. Align your actions with your desires. Take inspired steps, no matter how small, that move you closer to your goals. Consistency and intention are key. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, update your resume, start networking, and apply for positions that excite you. Show up as the person who already has that opportunity. Act as if the opportunity is already yours, and watch how the universe responds to your energy and commitment. The more you believe and act, the faster your dreams will manifest. Remember, you are worthy of receiving all the good things life has to offer. You are a powerful creator, and the universe is conspiring to support you in manifesting your dreams. Don't let limiting beliefs hold you back. Release the need to control the how and when of your manifestations. Trust in the divine timing of the universe and believe that everything is unfolding perfectly. The more you practice gratitude in advance, the more you'll attract abundance, joy, and fulfillment into your life. It's a simple shift in perspective, but its impact can be profound. So why wait? Start incorporating gratitude in advance into your life today. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude for all the amazing things that are on their way to you. The universe is listening, and it's ready to align with your positive energy. Trust the process, believe in your dreams, and just watch as the magic of manifestation unfolds in your life. The power to manifest your dream life is within you. By shifting your focus from lack to gratitude, you open yourself to receiving all the abundance the universe has in store. Start today and witness the transformative power of gratitude in advance. Your dream life awaits. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you.